if I put the work in. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. 'Cause I don't wanna.
Hey guys, it's your girl Riri from Texas, back with another video. Let me zoom out a little bit. Hold on now. Why is y'all all up in my business like that? Okay, cool, perfect. And come down a little bit. All right, there we go, there we go. So make sure you like and subscribe before we start. As you can tell, this video is going to be really short and to the point. I'm just showing you guys the proper way to apply blush. And the products that I'm going to be using today is going to be a MAC blush. I think it is in the color Burnt Pepper. This is my favorites brush to use to apply. It is the Eco Tools brush, sheer blush. So it is a blush brush and it's by Eco Tools. So what I like to do is, if it's a little product on there, which I think this is really stained, I like to remove the product, clean the brush, or just remove it. You can hit it against the paper towel to make sure it's no product, because you don't want to overdo the product. Take my blush. I like to dip it like this in there and then get a little bit on the sides. Get the excess away. And I like to start up here and then come down. And that's just because in case I have too much blush on here, I don't want to be super blush right here. You know, we could probably do that up here, but not down here. So I start with a little smile. And I like to hit right here to right here when I'm smiling, so. That is everything. So I'm gonna apply a little more because y'all know we extra with the blush. So I done dipped it a couple more times, y'all. Come on. Okay. All right, and that's how you apply blush. I like to take some on the tip of my nose. And when I'm feeling real good, I do a little bit right here, but not all the time, but for sure, the tip of my nose. And that's it, that's how you apply blush. If you would like to know how to apply more things, make sure that more makeup, make sure you're following your girl on this channel at ReReFromTexas, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you.